In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Passwords and Accounts. Select this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. And click on Google Password Manager to tap on a password you wish to delete. Enter your current login method. Hit Delete button and confirm your choice by tapping on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!